Hey Google, turn on all the lights.
You got it. Turning on 7 lights.
So I've been busy as hell, which is all well and good, but anyways, I haven't made videos lately, and that's okay. I've had other stuff going on. Thought I might do something a little different for this one because I really don't feel like going anywhere. So let's see what kind of awesomeness we can get into. Two months and 11 days to print that, and it looks awesome sitting in my office. So I wanted to build it on a budget. People will pay stupid money for these things, especially in the build process. I mean, we're talking thousands and thousands of dollars. Mine's just, it's just a static model, but I added a motion sensor to make him chirp. So if you walk in front of him, he'll have something to say about that. So I think tomorrow I'll actually get out of the house and find something better to do. This bin inside is probably not as healthy as I'd like for it to be. So I was going to do something fun today, but right over there is a tornado, so that's not going to happen. And of course, my 90-year-old neighbor has decided to go out for a drive. Because driving in tornadic weather when you're 90 makes total sense. Well, the tornado's over with now. Now we got to worry about this. I even have my tornado helmet ready to go. So the weather keeps making other plans for me, so we're going to do something else. That box right there, it just came in. It's made in China. What could it be? Let's open it up and find out. Ooh, check this out. It's the Lepin star plan, as opposed to, you know, one of the greatest movies of all time. Star Plan. You may have missed that one at the theater. It's got look at these instructions. Cool color. And we've got here some stickers. It says something a little different. Star Wieners. Does it say Star Wieners? I think Star Wieners. Star Werner. Anyways. Might take a while. And they just go and go. hell with it. Good God. I'm pretty good at organizing stuff, but that's 3,200 pieces of Legos there. So, in an effort to kind of keep it under some sort of control, I went to the dollar store and bought a bunch of paper throwaway bowls that I think it might be best to just kind of put the parts in, because the bags aren't numbered, and we all know how that goes when instructions aren't numbered. Can you imagine, as a parent, stepping on over 3,200 Legos that, you know, your insubordinate little children left out because they didn't clean their room? Golly, those of you that must have kids, this must be like a nightmare watching. Got a haircut while all this stuff was going on. That's how long it took me. Actually, it took me about 4 days. And wow, it's big. Some interesting things to note is that if you order one of these kits from China, it's going to be missing parts. I had to wing it on a lot of parts. Mine doesn't look like everyone else's online, or even what the picture looks like, because I had to use parts that weren't meant to be used where they were being used. Anyways, I still think it looks pretty darn cool. Probably gonna set it up above the fireplace, just for fun. But we'll see. I'm pretty happy with it. I really like the detail on it. It's kind of cool. Anyways, I know this has kind of been a Star Wars centric episode, but maybe next time we can go somewhere a little more entertaining. I just didn't feel like going out and doing anything. So, anyways, till next time, we'll see you then.